Top 10 reasons men skip doctor's appointments. Why men shouldn't skip their doctor's appointments. Hello to all my subscribers and anyone new to this channel. I am Dr. Parker, and please continue to watch this video from Fit and Wellness Over 50 about the top 10 reasons men skip doctor's appointments. The consequences of skipping doctor's appointments. Doctors are usually the ones who tell you to go to them when you need help. Now, it is a good idea to listen to them and not wait until it's too late. In this video post, we will explore the consequences of skipping a doctor's appointment and how it will affect your health. Men are less likely to go to the doctor than women. Now, it is not uncommon for men to avoid medical care, and the reasons vary from one individual to the next. However, some factors are more common than others. Skipping doctor's appointment can cause you to miss important tests and treatments. This can be a problem for several reasons. For example, if you have diabetes and skip an appointment, it could be too late to prevent complications such as kidney failure or blindness. In this video, we will show you the top 10 reasons why men might skip a doctor's appointment and how you can help them overcome the barriers that are keeping them away from what they need. Men tend to be less proactive about their health. They often delay or skip doctor's appointments, potentially about what society has taught them about masculinity. Watch to find out more about the top 10 reasons why men skip doctor's appointments and how you can help your male friends or family members overcome this stereotype. What are the health concerns that men face? In the United States, men make up about 40% of the population, but account for only 20% of those who visit a doctor. Men are more likely to die from heart disease, cancer, and skin cancer. They also have a higher risk of developing certain cancers, such as prostate cancer. Further studies have shown that prostate cancer patients who are more active in their care have better treatment outcomes and have a better life expectancy than those who skip their doctor's appointments. Men also have a higher risk of being diagnosed with mental health, such as depression or anxiety. In addition, men's health care is often overlooked when it comes to preventive care or treatment for chronic conditions such as diabetes or high cholesterol. Now, what are the warning signs that warrant a doctor's visit? Warning signs that warrant a doctor visit can be anything from a change in appetite to a change in sleep patterns. The doctors are trained to identify and address warning signs. People need to know the warning signs of various diseases so they can take action and prevent the disease from getting worse. Some of the most common warning signs that warrant a doctor's visits are a fever, a cough, a sore throat, an unusual rash, prolonged bleeding, persistent vomiting, an uncharacteristic amount of diarrhea, and chest pain. These warning signs can be indicative of several illnesses, and the patient will want to find out what their areas are as soon as possible. Now, this video was written to provide insight into the top 10 reasons to help you understand why men miss doctor's appointments. Reason 1, they have the perception that it is unmanly or the fear of being judged for not being masculine enough. Men tend to be more macho and are embarrassed about showing vulnerability. They feel that if they should be able to take care of themselves without any help from others. Reason 2, they believe it's unmanly to talk about their feelings with a stranger. The stigma of going to the doctor is stronger in men than in women because society has encouraged them not to express their feelings and emotions. Reason 3, they don't want others to know about their problems. They don't want their friends and families to know that they have an issue. Reason 4, some men might feel embarrassed, ashamed, or humiliated by the idea of being examined. They might not feel comfortable undressing in front of a woman. They think it's embarrassing, so they avoid it. Reason 5, men worry about the cost of treatment or medication. This trend is most pronounced among low-income men who worry about the cost of treatment or medication. Reason 6, the doctor's office is too crowded and they can't get an appointment soon enough. A survey found that men are more than 3 times likely as women to say that a crowded waiting room would be a deterrent for them from going to the doctor. Reason 7, men think that they know what's going on and don't need a second opinion. Men believe that their body tells them that when something is wrong, and as such, if things feel all right, then they must be all right. Now, this can lead to health problems being ignored or not noticed until it is too late. Reason 8, men may not recognize the seriousness of a condition, so they don't seek treatment until it becomes a crisis. They believe that their medical condition is no big deal. They think that they can handle it on their own. Reason 9, men are not convinced that the treatment will work. They feel that they will be wasting their time. However, if caught early, the treatment does work, and men need to get help to avoid these serious health problems. And reason 10, men are less likely to ask for help. Men are more likely to be in denial and not want to seek help for their illnesses. What can be done to get men to go to their doctor visits? To get men to go see the doctor is making it more convenient for them. One way to do this is by using technology like telemedicine. This would allow the patient and the doctor to have a video chat no matter where they are. Why is it important for men to take their partners to the doctor's appointments? Their doctor's appointment is a time for the patient and their significant other to talk about their health. Now, this is important for both men and women, but in different ways. Men partners can also provide emotional support during difficult conversations with their doctors, which can be helpful for both parties. Conclusions: the benefits of going to the doctor regardless of gender. The appointment is the first interaction with the doctor, and it can help shape the patients how they feel about their care. Men are less likely to go to the doctor even when they need that treatment. They are more likely to delay care, which can lead to more serious health problems. Men also tend to be less open about their feelings with family members or friends, which may lead them to neglect their own health needs. To address this problem, we need much better outreach programs that would encourage men to take care of their health and show them how important it is for their well-being. The conclusion is that going to the doctor is beneficial regardless of gender. And if you find this video to be informative, please give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to be notified weekly of more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and please share your stories.